What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel, and today I have to give you a proper introduction to Philip. Now, you're probably asking, who in the hell is Philip? Well, this, ladies and gentlemen, is Philip. This would be Dover's first coyote swap. This is the one he pretty much figured everything out on, learned everything, and cut his teeth on. But I hadn't, I've done a write-up on the website, which you can go check out if you want to, but I haven't actually done a full and actual introduction. So that's what we're going to do right now. So, finally giving you an actual and solid introduction to Philip. So we're going to check it out. Jeremy, what totally led you to do this build? Just because? No. Couldn't think of anything else? This is officially the build that started all, and you see how it, just kind of spiraled out of control. My car is number 5. So, 5 builds from this one here, but you can see she's running. She's been sitting in storage a little bit because I've been busy doing other builds and stuff, so she's a little squeaky and temperamental, but running like a champ. As you can see, this is kind of what the air is going to look like. This is the finished product. So, I know I've been slacking, and I had a lot of people saying they wanted to see an actual, video done of the car, so that's what we're doing. And the car looks freaking great. A little dusty, but and these are Cobra Brakes, front and rear, 13-inch rotors, front and rear, and they're Riddler wheels, 17s in the front. 18 by 9s in the rear, so I got a little bit larger wheel in the back. You can see 3-inch rotors in the back. Actually looks very similar to Scott's car, which is kind of ironic. That's probably why Scott brought his car. He's like, hey, that's just like mine. But real simple. Got the tail lights smoked. Exhaust 50 series Flowmasters, which actually I should have showed you. Big shiny tailpipes. Got them tucked up in there real good. All nice and smooth. Okay, so the walk around for the interior. These are the TMI 03 Cobra style seats. Got the suede in the middle. They're a little dusty, but don't mind it. Custom steering wheel. There's your Dakota digital cluster, which I'll show you that in a minute, all lit up and rocking. And got the double din, relocated the AC, HVAC controls, all black interior, and also did the Alcantara on the headliner as well, the sun visors, and of course you can see the pedal down there, all black. In just a second, I'm gonna let you check out the cluster all lit up because it looks really good. Jared, you went with the blue lights, right, on yours? And he's also got a hell of a little system back here, which obviously I'm not gonna be able to do it any justice on the camera, but it is slick. 3 JL 6.5s, right? 3 JL 6.5s, all tucked in there and hidden. There is some amps in there, but yeah. We're not digging all that crap out today. Little dynamat up there, keep things from rattling. But the sound quality is ridiculous. It sounds great. And kind of got me to thinking, because I had a big 10-inch sub in the back of my car. Actually, no, it was 12. But these 3 6.5 pound, they sound really good. Okay, so a lot of people are asking, what's it like to drive a Coyote swap Fox body? And basically, when you're just cruising along, it's just docile as it can be, right? I mean, it's gonna drive like a newer Mustang or newer F-150. So, I mean, just cruising. I mean, you can lug it through a parking lot. You can idle in traffic. You know, you can lug it through traffic, and you got that ridiculous drivability. That's the super cool thing about it. But one thing I did want to show you real quick. See the Dakota digital gauges light up. Well, it's kind of hard to see. But yeah, it's super smooth. Like, you can't really even hardly hear the engine running most of the time. But hold on, there's a caveat to that. Only until you get on it, and then everything changes. We're gonna do just a quick light pull, nothing major, anything. Okay, maybe not quite so light, but yeah. The car does get a little rowdy when you hit it. So, and bear in mind, these are stock truck cams that we didn't change anything. It's got the headers, a cold air, and it's not even tuned.
Yeah, it's got a tune.
It does have a tune? Okay, it does have a tune, like, just to make it run with the control pack and all that good stuff. But nothing to it. Simple. Alright guys, so there you go. That is the proper introduction to Philip. I hope you enjoyed the video. Car's super cool, and Jeremy's got a lot of more other stuff he wants to do to the car, but unfortunately he's doing other coyote swaps like yours truly. But in the meantime, if you like this video, please make sure you give it a big thumbs up and smash that subscribe button, and back with you tomorrow, more content. Later.